my name Robert Albert. I'm at Lower Wallace Falls overlooking Wallace Falls State Park. About 15 minutes of walking from the parking lot to the Lower Wallace Falls overlook in Wallace Falls State Park near Highway 2, Washington State. A nice, pleasant waterfall to visit and photograph and video record. Nice hiking trail through the forest. And there's the Wallace River along the hiking trail. For more interesting video content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And I show you more video of the Wallace Falls Waterfall.